Living a sustainable life is a choice to do better each day. Whether that means you choose to walk to the local grocery store, or conscious about who you're driving where and how you're going to get to these different places. Every choice we make has an impact. Every step does matter. Those values being aligned was just this really, really interesting way to do something really unique together. My name is Braden Parker. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Casca Footwear.
And I'm Kevin Reed, the design director and co-founder at Casca.
We started Casca because we wanted to use technology to think about shoes differently and create custom footwear that lasts for years instead of months. I feel like when I get into a Volvo, everything is right there without you even needing to think, how do you do it? Functional benefits, sort of invisibly designed into something that's still beautiful and that still performs and is still so functional. To me, that's what is really aligned between Volvo and Casca's design.
I think with Scandinavian design, it's more than just an aesthetic principle. It's really about the thinking behind the product. With shoes, there's this design language of forward motion that people seem to gravitate towards. Thor's hammer headlights on the toe panels, the kind of sharp design lines and that linear aesthetic, it actually became quite easy to translate those elements. 96% of footwear waste happens during that manufacturing process. So we've tried to incorporate a number of sustainable materials, from recycled car tire and natural gum rubber in the sole, recycled plastic bottles for our knit for that upper of the shoe. It's a new process and it reduces the textile waste by almost 40%. So it's little things like that that make a huge difference. I hope that we're inspiring people to think differently about what they purchase and to be more critical about the things they buy, and they understand that, that quality and style can be matched with sustainability.
I think that it's important to really be thinking about how you move around the city, how you move around your environment, making those really conscious choices and thinking through what impact every choice and step that you make in a day has on the future. The more people that we influence to think differently about how they move, the better it'll be for all of us.